You'll get some people who just come up here and think, yes, I want this printed. You'll get others who are open to suggestion. There are times when it is a bit of a print bureau, but there's also times when we will experiment with people. Sometimes people come out with something completely different to what they came in wanting, but actually are happy with what they've gone out with. We've fundamentally got a number of inkjets that can print from as small as A4, A3, all the way up to 42-inch roll banners. We've also got some solvent printers, both cut and print for vinyl and other media. And we've also got a UV printer. We've got a thermal inkjet printer as well that enables us to do high quantity posters at reasonably cheap prices. Printers do all have names. Some of the large printers are named after our mothers, and most of the other printers are named after literary characters. Of the printers we've got more than one of, so they would have the same name if we name them after the printer. So there is also a practical reason for naming them.